Students, we will start now order relationship. Now, the number with more digit is greater than the number with less digits. This we got in our previous videos when we had discussed about the this greater or smaller numbers. The number with more digits, for example, 500 and one side it is 50. So 500, there is more digit is there, so the number with more digit is more or greater than the number with less digits. One example is here, that is our 35 lakhs 17,618, and next is a 29 lakhs 28,739. But both digits, number of digits are same. But here after what we will do, we will make a place value chart. Here again we will place the numbers according to the place value chart. Now as both the numbers digits are same, that is numbers of the digits are same. Here is first contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. Next one also contains 7 digits. We will compare 10 lakhs position at first. Now the first one in 10 lakhs place is 3, but for the next one is 2. So when 3 is greater than 2, so the first number is greater than the second one. In this way we can find out which number is greater. Write the predecessor. Students, we had already discussed about the predecessors and successors when we was discussing about the chapter large numbers. We had already discussed about predecessors and successors. So predecessor means is a number before and successor is the number next. For predecessor we will subtract 1, for successor we will add 1. So in that way we can find out the answer. Question number 3. Compare the following numbers and put greater sign or smaller sign in the box. So same way you will make the place value chart and then you will compare. One example I had shown you, the same way you will be doing that. Question 5. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big and descending means big to small. So again we will make the place value chart. It will be easier for us if we make the place value chart. Without making also you can do, but it will be easier for us. So after making the place value chart, we can see that the first second digit, the 2 is in 10 lakhs position. So that is smaller than rest all, because the number of digits here are same. Okay. Next comes our 4. The first one. Next is here both the digits are having 9 in 10 lakhs place. So when 9 is in 10 lakhs place, we will see the lakhs place. Lakhs, for the last digit is 0 and the second last is 9. So that will be smaller. And the last will be the third one. So in that way we can arrange the digits from small to big. Question number 7. Write the smallest and the greatest number using each of the following digits. Now, first A is given, these numbers are like this 2, 3, 5, 0, 9, 4, 8. We cannot start from 0, okay, for the smallest one. So, we will be choosing the next smallest. So, next smallest here is 2. So, we will make our number with that. And the greatest one is here 9. So, again we will start from 9. The same way we will go for number C. Question number 12. Write the smallest number of 8 digits with digits 5 in thousands place. So we have to write down the smallest number. We know the smallest number starts with 0. So we have to keep 5 is in thousands place. We'll write 8 digit number and we'll place 5 is in thousands place. Next, question number 13. Write the greatest number of 7 digit with digit 2 in tens place. Similar way, we'll write 7 digit number, greatest 7 digit with, that is 991, and we'll put 2 is in tens place. Next, international system of writing numbers in words. Students, this international system also we had already discussed when we was discussing large numbers. So, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Million, 10 million, 100 million. This is about our international system. So, we'll start with the exercise. Write the following numbers in word. We will make in rough our place value chart, international place value chart, and then we'll place the numbers. So, after placing that, we can see that the first for A is 2 million, then 35,708. For number B, it is 25,508,610. In this way, we'll do the rest others. We'll make the place value chart. Question number 2. Write the following numbers in figures. Now, again we'll make the place value chart. First A is 2,550,306. So, we will place the numbers digits accordingly. So, that will be our answer. Next. Number 3 also, write the number which has 5 in hundreds place, 4 in millions place, 2 in tens place, 8 in 100,000s place, 6 in ones place, 4 in thousands place, 7 in 10,000s place. They had said everything where the digits will be placed. So, you make a place value chart, and where they say to place these digits, you place there. You will get the appropriate number what they had said. Okay, we'll start now Roman numerals. This also we had discussed in our large number chapters. So, the Roman numerals, I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. We had discussed this. That's why I have not written here. We had already discussed this portion on large numbers. And we had also discussed about the rules. Now, in your book, there are 2 rules are given. There is X when written to the left of L or C. X when written to the left of L or C, it is subtracted. And X when written to the right of L or C, it is added. Again, I am repeating this. X when written to the left of L or C. That is, X means our 10. Written left of L or C. If we take an example of L, XL. L means 50. X means 10. So, X when written to the left of L or C, it is subtracted. That is, this X means 10, L means 50. We cannot write 10 plus 50. We will write 50 minus 10. Answer will be 40. And second rule they had given that X when written to the right of L or C. L means 50. X when written to the right. This LX. This 50 plus 10. There will not do subtract. See, we will be starting our exercise 1. That is question number 2. First is compare it. We'll write the numbers and we can compare this. We'll start from question number 2. Write the equivalent Roman numeral in the box. L minus X. Now L is 50 and X is 10. So 50 minus 10 is equals to 40. Number B. XLII. So XLII plus XXIX. Now XLII. So it has said that X when written to the left of L or C. So then we will subtract it. So here L is 50, X is 10. So it will be 50 minus 10 plus II means 2. The 50 minus means 40 plus 2, 42. And XXIX. XX means 10, 10, 20. So 20 plus, and this we got in previously also. The smaller digit is written on the left of the greater one. We will subtract it. That will also 10 minus 1. That is 9. So it will be 29. So 29 plus 42. That is 71. So 71 we will be writing in the same Roman numerals. 70 means 50 is L. 50, 60, 70. 10, 10 is 70 plus 1, 71. Next number D, CC minus X. Now C means 100. So 100 plus 100. minus x. X means 10. So 200 minus 10 is 190. Next, F, CX, CIV. So CX, C means 100, X means 10. So 100 plus 10. Yes, but we will not do like that. C means 100. Now second is XC. It was said that X when written to the left of C. So what we will do? We will do 100 minus 10. So 100 plus 100 minus 10 means 90. So 100 plus 90 plus 4. This is 194. And second is CLXIX. So C means 100, L means 50, X means 10 and that is 9. So that is total is 169. So when we will subtract it, this 194 minus 169, we will get the answer as 25. So 25 means XXV. Next, number C was XCYI. So X means again 10 and C means 100. So we will do what? 100 minus 10, 90. 90 plus 2, 92. And this had LX. L means 50, X means 10. 50 plus 10 plus 8. It is 68. So 92 minus 68 is 24. It's 24. Next question number 3. Write the following in Roman numerals. So we'll write these numbers in Roman numerals. 55, 50 means L. 5 means V. So LV. 67. Now 67, 50 means L plus 10, 60 and 7, 5, 6, 7. 135, 100 means C, 30 means XXX, V means 5. 143, now 100 means C, 40 we will write XL, XL means 40, this is 50 minus 10, 40 plus 3. 159, 100 means C, now 50 means L, 9, we will write 9, IX. 186, 100 means C, now 80 means 50, this is L, 60, 70, 80, 3 times we will write X, plus 6, VI. 199, 100 means C, and 90. This 90 we will write 100 minus 10. We will write XC. It will be 100 minus 10. 199. 200 CC. And 164. 164 means 100 means C. 60 means 50 plus 10. 64. IV. Question number 4. Write the following in Hindu Arabic numerals. So it is our X means 10. And L means 50. So it will be minus 50 minus 10, 40 and 9, 49. X, C, V. X means 10 and C means 100. Always they had said as that when X is written on the left of L or C, it will be minus. So 100 minus 10 is 90 and V means 5, 95. Next C, L, X, X, I. C means 100, L means 50. So 10, 10, 50, 60, 70, I means 1, 171. Then next is CXLV8, VIII. So C means 100, XL. So L means 50, X means 10, no. So 50 minus 10, 40, 140 and VIII is 8, 148. Then CXCIV, C means 100. X means 10 and C means again 100. So we'll 100 minus 10, that is 90. So 190 and IV means 4, 194. So students, we have finished our exercise 6. That is our chapter 2 is already over according to our book, this new one that we got. So we had finished warm up, we had finished number and number names. And I hope we had also finished addition and subtraction. So all of you starts practicing this and you know where to write your this warm-ups or this practice questions, where do you want you will be writing, you know this, that you will be writing in the left pages of your old assignments copy or classwork or homework copies. So try to practice it according to the place value chart. You make the place value chart for writing these numbers and number names, and write down the Roman numerals for writing the Roman numbers. So here students, we are finishing this chapter. Thank you.